Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, we will learn how to unmerge cell in Microsoft Excel. Let's get into the video. At first, open your Excel worksheet containing the merged cells that you want to unmerge. Now select the merged cells and navigate to the Home tab. Go for Alignment Group and find Merge and Center. Now click on the small arrow. Now from this drop-down menu, select Unmerged Cells. This will immediately unmerge the selected cells. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.